Okay, for the first method, make sure to test your internet speed. Go to Google and then run the speed test. If that is not the problem, then follow the second method. Go to CMD, go to the Windows search bar, search for CMD, make sure to hit run as an administrator. After that, type ipconfig space /flash DNS, hit enter. After that, type netch space winsock space reset, hit enter again. Once you did that, all you need to do, go to the Windows Start icon and then make sure to restart your computer. Okay, so if it didn't help, for the last method, go to the Windows search bar, search for control panel. Okay, so after that, select network and internet, select network and sharing center. After that, select change adapter settings. Once you did that, just locate your internet, right click and then select properties, scroll down and make sure that IPv6 is unchecked. Go ahead and select IPv4, double click, select use the following DNS server addresses. Make sure to type 8888 in the preferred DNS service and 8844 for the alternative one. Select OK. After you do all of that, select OK, close everything, and make sure to restart your computer, and your problem should be solved. If you find it helpful, make sure to subscribe.